I'll be showing you how to create spectacular AI art using Midjourney and their Discord bot in this video. So without the fluff, let's just dive into Midjourney, as I'm assuming you already know how spectacular the art that they can generate. So once you're on the website, midjourney.com, you want to hit join the beta. And what this is going to do is load up their Discord. So once you're in their Discord here, you can start generating AI artwork. You're going to get free credits, which you can then use to start generating art to see how it's going to work. Now, if you're on their paid plans, you can do direct messaging to their bot so you can keep things private. But let's just go over the free version here. So once you get in the Discord, you can basically just ignore all these sections and go to one of the newbie rooms here on the left. These are going to be isolated Discord channels. Let's click on newbies 104. This is probably going to change for you depending on when you load Midjourney. But essentially, these channels are going to be full of people generating their own AI artwork, and it's where you can do so as well. And so this Discord bot is going to use prompts so you can generate the artwork. In the chat at the bottom here, you want to hit /imagine. So this is going to be the prompt. Then you can see there's now room next to it to type in and describe what you want this AI image to be. If you just scroll through existing chats here that people have made with the Discord bot, you can start to see what people are using. So someone stated they want a company logo around road safety technologies and they want it to be high quality. Another person wanted a holy celebration, hyper-realistic, detailed explanatory. Another person wanted a full body 1950s beautiful woman in black, shiny wetsuit, scuba diving gear, smiling detailed. So basically, the more detailed prompts you can give to the Midjourney AI bot, the easier it is for the bot to then go and give you AI generated images that actually match what you're saying. If you're too broad, it's really open to interpretation, so you want to be as specific as possible. So now let's go and generate some art here and show you step by step on how to use the prompt, because once you generate it, you then get the option to either regenerate it, focus on a specific output, or even upscale it when you're satisfied with the AI generated artwork. So for my prompt here, I just said sci-fi Star Wars male character with helmet, and he uses a sword and shield. And so once you're done with your prompt, you can just hit enter or send, and this is going to send it to the Midjourney bot. As you can see, it's now loading here, and it's just going to start generating artwork, and it will have a nice notification showing what's generated on the first test. And how long it's going to take is really going to depend on how many people are using the bot at once, and sometimes it can take a few minutes before it actually loads. So your output will be shown in a yellow background here. This is going to be a @message to your username here, and with your output there are going to be several options. You'll see U1, U2, U3, U4, V1, V2, V3, and V4. And so these all mean different things here, and they're going to correspond to the image shown. So if we go to Midjourney's website, we can see the U buttons are for upscaling. So the upscale is going to generate a larger version of the selected image. This is going to be when it's finalized. You can select it based on the quadrant. We can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. The redo or re-roll emoji here will simply redo the entire generation process, and the V1, V2, V3, and V4 are to select variations of the image. It's going to create incremental variations and then generate a new image grid similar to the chosen variation. As you can see for the output here, if we click on it, we can see it matches very similar. It looks similar to a Star Wars character with the Mandalorian helmet. And then you can select these options here for 1, 2, 3, or 4, and you can basically redo this process until you're satisfied, or you can give it just a brand new prompt in general. As mentioned, a more detailed the prompt here, you can get very realistic images. If we take a look at this person's prompt, we can see it's extremely long here with a lot of details, even giving things such as the camera angle, engines for tags, photorealism, blue-gray eyes. You can see this image looks extremely detailed based on that. So in a nutshell, this is how you use the Midjourney Discord bot here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like and subscribe button and comment how cool you think the artwork is. I'll see you in our next video.